What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. My name is Tamara. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. For those of you that are new, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. So today's video is going to be about this product here. This is the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. This product is said to repair damaged and compromised hair, strengthen and protect the hair structure, and also restore a healthy appearance to the hair texture. So this product was actually recommended to me by someone. I have been dealing with a lot of breakage and I've been using protein treatments, but you can only use protein treatments so much. Either with protein, you can either, strengthen your hair, or you can either severely damage your hair. And I was not going for damaging. Obviously, I'm trying to correct breakage, not make it worse. So I did not even think this product was something that I can use. However, upon my research, Olaplex number 3 is for all hair textures. So Olaplex number 3 is not a conditioner. This is a hair treatment that's supposed to visibly strengthen hair, improving its look and appearance. So I'm just basically going to show you guys how I would apply this to my hair and then show you guys kind of like the before and after. I have used this before, so you are getting my honest opinion. Now, the way they tell you to apply this product is you're supposed to apply it to damp towel dried hair. My hair is currently damp and towel dried, and then after, you're supposed to leave it in for a minimum of 10 minutes and then shampoo and condition as normal. I took the liberty of gently cleansing my hair just because I use a lot of hair products, a lot of gel, a lot of leave-in conditioners because of my hair texture. So I already rinsed out my hair and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I would apply the treatment to my curls. Okay, so I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. There isn't anything I do when I'm applying product that I do not go ahead and section my hair. So I'm just going to do that, and don't mind me. I'm just looking in my mirror so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so this is my hair before the treatment. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to section my hair down the middle. I'll just start with my left side first since it's the side that you guys can see a whole lot better. Okay, and then I'm going to section off the top from the bottom. Okay, so this is my bottle here, and you do not need a ton of this. It does say apply generously, but you really you don't need a ton. I've used this like 4 times now. So I'm just gonna start off with this much, and I'm gonna start with my ends. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my ends, just applying it there, and kind of just working my way up to the roots of my hair. So then I'm just going to go in here and kind of just finger separate it just to make sure I've gotten it all over. And I'll also just go ahead and use the praying hands method, just like I would do if I were applying gel for like my wash and go. And just apply it like that. If you feel like you need a little bit more, add a little bit more. But like I said, you shouldn't need a crap ton of this. I just like to add a little bit more to the bottom of my hair. So that is that section. Let's move on to the top section. Actually, I think I'm going to go ahead and split that top section. And then we're going to just go ahead and work on this side section here. Being about that much. And just starting, once again, at the end, making sure I'm really getting my ends. The Olaplex. I purchased my bottle of Olaplex from Sephora, and it retailed for $28. You only get 3.3 fluid ounces, but this stuff I feel like is highly concentrated. So I don't feel like you need like a crap ton. And like I said before, I've used this like the same bottle like 4 times. I don't have like, if you have really thick hair, like I don't know how long it'll last for you. I like to think my hair is full. I don't think it's like super thin, but it has lasted me 4 applications. So I hope you guys can see well. It defines my curls a lot. Like this isn't not even, look at this, how well defined they are. And I'm making sure I also get my edges as well. And kind of just rake my fingers through. I'm always slightly finger detangling everything. All right, so that's that. And I'm gonna go in with, I feel like the toughest section, which is like the rest of the top and the crown section. I'm actually gonna take a hair tie and just kind of get this part out of my way a little bit. Using it a little bit more for that section because the top section is where I've had the most breakage. I don't know if that's because I have a tighter curl pattern there or not, but I've gotten the most breakage there. And being that I am a natural, I am all about health first. However, I spend a fair amount of time taking care of my hair, so I kind of also want to reap the benefits of having length as well. So I'm just doing as much as I can to make sure I'm retaining length. So health, but I also want to be retaining length. So this is what the left side of my hair looks like after applying the Olaplex to this side. As you can see, my curls are super defined. Like I put gel in it. They're super, super defined. They're nice and detangled. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish this side off camera. I'm going to wash and condition my hair like normal, and I will come back and share with you guys my results and my thoughts on this product. Now using it like 4 or 5 times I think now, so I'll be right back. So I am back, you guys. I have I have washed the Olaplex out of my hair. I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I was about to put product in because I normally put in my leave-ins in the shower, but I was like, well, let me just show them my hair without anything in it. So these are the results. So this is my hair without anything in it. So there you can see. So any differences with my hair texture, I feel like my curls are a little bit tighter. I didn't need them to be tighter, but they are a little bit tighter. The biggest thing for me is that I'm not seeing little pieces in my hands whenever I am styling my hair. That has drastically stopped, which is a good thing, which was the whole point of me obviously getting the Olaplex to begin with. My hair does feel a lot stronger. I'm, like I said, like there's no pieces breaking off. So my hair does feel stronger in that regard. I really do enjoy the Olaplex. It has a nice, clean, fresh salon smell. Love that. And regardless of it being $28, I think it's great for its value. The 3.3 fluid ounces obviously is very little, but I have used this, like I said previously, about 4 or 5 times now, and you guys probably can't see where I am, but literally I have like that right here, like it's like right there. I can probably get like another use or 2 out of this, but I really do like and enjoy the Olaplex number 3, and I am so happy that I tried it. And for anyone who has like any issues with their hair that you just feel like protein can't solve, or you're protein sensitive, I think this is a great alternative. Like I said, it is for all hair types. It's a little bit pricey, but like I said, it's worth it. It lasts a long time. I think that's just because like it's highly concentrated. So yeah, I really think it's great. So you guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tried this before, let me know. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about the product. If you have not already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video really soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.